This is the Woodford 30099 plastic handle for the models 14 and 17 faucets. This is a plastic handle. As you can see here, it will have those splines there inside. Yeah, this is a circular handle, so we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of it. We'll get a total height as well as an outside diameter of the face of the handle. So the total outside diameter of the face of the handle measures right at about 1 3/4 inches, with a total height of the handle, I can get it still here. Alright, so with the total height right about 1 3/4 inches, and then we'll get a diameter here of the bottom as well where it will mount. That's right above 1/2 inch. So once again, this is the Woodford 30099 plastic handle.